Hey there, thank you for being here. I'm Dr. Rose, the Perfume Lady. If you are new here, welcome. For those of you lovely return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. And for those of you who are new, I would appreciate it if you will subscribe and push your notification bell either here or here to notify you when I post new videos. This video today is about nuts and fragrances. Yeah, I am a nutcase, but I will never be in a fragrance because I am not considered a nut, an edible nut. I'm just a crazy nut. All right, I'm going to show you about 7 fragrances that I have that have nuts in them. Some of them have almond, hazelnut, chestnut, pistachio, cacao in them. I may not have all of the nuts that I'm referring to in those nuts that you can see you can smell in fragrances, but I think I have a lot of almond based nuts and also cacao perfumes today I'm going to share with you. So stay tuned, I will be back. All right, are you still with me? Did you start commenting, subscribe, and like the video? Thank you, I appreciate it. So the first nut-based fragrance I want to share with you and talk about is Chelsea Nights from Bond Number 9. This is a new fragrance which was released in 2022. This is new to my collection. This is a very nice edible gourmand fragrance. Oh, this one has cacao in it, okay? Chelsea Night is an absolutely gorgeous scent. It's incredibly sexy and lasts a very long time. This is to me, one of the best fragrances from Bond Number 9 in the last 5 years. And believe it or not, I have a lot of Bond Number 9 fragrances, so I can tell you some of the good ones and some of the bad ones. This one is a keeper. It makes you feel good when you wear it. Oh, and it's just so delightful. It's a delightful fragrance to wear. It's great for women and men. You can wear this daytime, nighttime. I would prefer to wear this, late in the afternoon, because I think it's made, for like maybe when it's a little bit warmer, when it's a little bit cooler at night. If you live in an area, like if you live in Florida where it's hot during the day, and then at night, it kind of like, calms down. So wear this fragrance in the evening after 6, you will get so much compliment from wearing this fragrance. Again, Chelsea Night by Bond Number 9. The second beautiful fragrance, nut-based fragrance, this one also has almond. This is Rolling in Love by Kilian. This is creamy and a little bit musky, sophisticated almond fragrance, with some realistic milk note. You don't smell the milk too much out of this fragrance. It's elegant. It's also beautiful. The bottle is also a beautiful bottle. I have my fingerprints on it. It's a beautiful bottle. Goes with my shirt a little bit. With my shirt today. I love wearing this. This was gifted to me 2 years ago for Valentine's Day, and I've yet to make a dent in it because I have too many fragrances to wear. But I think I'm gonna start wearing this. Maybe take this one to New York with me this afternoon when I leave. Wear this maybe for the spring, and just to make sure that I use it. Again, this is Rolling in Love by Kilian. It has almond base on it. Third nutty fragrance, this is Tribecca by Bond Number 9. This one has hazelnut, okay? This is a unique fragrance with chocolate, nutty caramel, coconut notes. This brings a special warmth to you, and the composition of this fragrance is absolutely stunning. It's smooth, it's a little bit hairy, no sharpness to it, okay? It's not like a sharp fragrance. When you wear this fragrance, it doesn't say, it doesn't jump at you. It's just very versatile. It makes you feel sexy, makes you feel grounded. It makes you feel, very nice in a very subdued way. You feel like, you can just lay down after you wear this fragrance and relax. It's a relaxing scent, but it's sexy as heck. beautiful white bottle. It's just a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Again, Tribecca, bun number 9 with hazelnut. The next Nutty fragrance is Jasmine Marzipane from Maison Lancome. This is a new bottle. My other bottle is missing. Looks like someone 5-finger discounted it. Anyway, this one has almond wood in it. This is a gourmand jasmine fragrance. It's luxurious. Okay, to me this is a luxury fragrance. It garners a lot of compliments. Okay, it's usually floral. It just has some floral undertones to it. But the almond scent in this beautiful fragrance lasts about 10 hours on your skin. And I heard this has been discontinued. So since I just had to open my new bottle, I need to get another one just to save if I can find one somewhere to buy. Again, Jasmine Marzipane. This was my first Maison Lancome perfume I purchased several years ago when they first released them, and I'm so glad I purchased it. I think I've gone to maybe 5 bottles already of this baby. That's how much I love wearing this. I'm a jasmine lover, and I'm also a nutty lover. All right, Nutty fragrance number 4. This one actually goes really, really well with my shirt. Nutty fragrance number 4 is Italica by Xerjoff. This one has almond base. This is great for gourmand lovers. If you love gourmand fragrances, you need this fragrance in your collection. It's the perfect ideal fragrance for holiday season and during the winter. It's long lasting. I mean, it performs really well, really great on your skin. You will smell beautiful. The bottle is also gorgeous. It's a unique scent. And it's also very refined. It's a refined fragrance. If you are not into gourmand fragrances, I would say stay away from this because this is like straight gourmand lover fragrances. Sometimes it can be a little bit nauseating when you wear it. I'm being honest. It can be a little bit nauseating because it's so dense. It's a very dense perfume. If you're looking for something light, a light gourmand fragrance, I would say stay away. Do not use this one. But if you like those dense, strong fragrances, strong gourmand fragrances, this is the fragrance for you. Nutty fragrance number 6 is Tonka Imperiale by Guerlain. This has bitter almond. I don't know what bitter almond tastes like. I guess if it's uncooked, it is bitter. Yes. Okay. So this is a gourmand oriental with some well balance of sweetness to it. Oh, this is such a lovely fragrance. As you can see, I have worn the heck out of it. It's warm. It's sensuous. It gives you this feeling of richness, right? It's a spicy fragrance, a little bit incensey, but it has some coumarin scent in it. This is special and it's a unique fragrance. It's not one of those fragrances that when you go out there, you're going to smell on everyone. I mean, I cannot wait to get the newer bottle when I'm done using this one. But let's just put some on. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's a unique fragrance. It reminds me so much of Fève Délicieuse. That's how unique this fragrance is. It's long lasting. It will last on your skin forever. If you have this fragrance, drop me a note. Let me know what you think of it. Again, Tonka Imperiale by Guerlain. Last fragrance for the day is Dolce Acqua by Profumum Roma. This has also almond in it. Okay, most of my Nutty fragrances have almond based fragrance. This is sweet, creamy, natural, notes of coconut. The coconut and the almond and the vanilla, they create a perfect union, right? Which created this fragrance. It's creamy, it's very tender. It has a sweetness to it. This fragrance, when you wear this fragrance and the next day you wake up, you say, oh my gosh, I want to smell the same way that I smelled yesterday. It makes you want to ask for more. That's how this fragrance makes you feel. I wish they had the body powder for it, but I mixed this with a coconut base body lotion. It feels good wearing them, mixing it with it. And then sometimes I also mix it with some Vaseline cocoa butter. I put the cocoa butter on my skin, and then I put this perfume over the cocoa butter. It lasts the entire day on me. You don't need to spray it again. It's just such a comforting scent. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, guys. Gorgeous fragrance. This is it for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you staying and watching this video, and I appreciate your comment. If you have any of those fragrances, if you try them, don't forget to drop me a note below. Let me know what you think of the fragrances, and then if you're going to try them, after you try them, come back and tell me what you think of them also. These were some really great nutty fragrances that I have in my collection. I enjoy wearing these nut-based fragrances, and I hope if you have them, you will also enjoy them. Don't forget to buy the perfume. Make sure you have a nutty perfume in your collection, because everybody needs a little nuts in their lives, right? Buy the shoes, wear your shoes, eat the dessert in moderation. Find yourself something that you like to enjoy, maybe once a week. Just have a little bit, not a lot. You don't want to eat dessert every day, but just a little bit, to make you feel alive, right? And then stay healthy. Be good to yourself and be good to others. Thank you again. I will see you next time. Bye now. Take care.